Have you ever wondered why, even though you eat healthy, take your supplements, and exercise, you still feel weak, unsteady, or tired all the time? Maybe you find yourself struggling to get up from a chair, carry groceries, or keep your balance when you walk. If this sounds familiar, it might be sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, and it's much more common than most seniors realize. Sarcopenia isn't just getting older. It's when your muscles start shrinking faster than your body can rebuild them. Think of it as your muscle fibers slowly fading away, even if you don't notice it day to day. And when that happens, simple tasks like climbing stairs or holding a grocery bag become frustrating, exhausting, and sometimes dangerous. Recent studies show that seniors can lose up to 40% of their muscle mass each year if no action is taken. That's nearly half your strength disappearing in just 12 months. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 breakfast foods you should add tomorrow morning if you want to stop muscle loss and start rebuilding your strength. The 5th one is so powerful that traditional Chinese medicine doctors have been recommending it to older adults for centuries. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to feel and move like you did in your 40s. But before we begin, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? How old are you? And what muscle challenges are you facing? Drop a comment below. I read everyone and will reply personally. Hi, my name is Dr. Nora Hayes, and I've spent the past 7 years treating seniors struggling with sarcopenia. I've watched how small changes in diet and lifestyle can transform people's lives, restoring confidence, strength, and independence. Let's get started. Ever wonder what's happening inside your muscles when you sleep? It's not magic. It's a 2-step process: breakdown and repair. During the day, your muscles undergo tiny microscopic tears from movement, exercise, or simply lifting objects. That damage is normal. It's actually the trigger that tells your muscles to grow. At night, your body senses that damage and enters full repair mode. Healing cells flood the damaged fibers, patching them up and making them thicker, stronger, and ready for tomorrow. Here's the catch. This repair process cannot happen without the right fuel in the morning. Your breakfast provides the building blocks your muscles need for repair. Skip the right foods in the morning and you're robbing your body of its chance to rebuild. Most seniors unintentionally feed their muscles the wrong things when they wake up. So before I share the 5 foods you should eat, let's cover the 5 foods to avoid if you want to stop sarcopenia in its tracks. 1. White bread. Think white bread is harmless? Think again. When you eat white bread, it breaks down quickly into sugar, spiking your blood glucose. Your body responds by releasing insulin. But here's the problem. High insulin levels block your muscles from using protein to repair themselves. It's like locking the doors to your muscle-building factory just when it's needed most. And it gets worse. When blood sugar crashes after the spike, your body starts breaking down your own muscle tissue to create energy. That's right. You're literally eating away your muscles slice by slice. A study following 2,000 seniors over 3 years found that those eating white bread daily lost 23% more muscle mass than those who avoided it. Let me tell you about Margaret, 62. She struggled to get up from chairs and carry groceries. Her breakfast? 2 slices of white toast with butter every morning for years. After switching to muscle-friendly foods, her energy soared, her strength returned, and she felt like she had her 40-year-old body back. 2. Coffee on an empty stomach. We all love our morning coffee, but drinking it before breakfast can sabotage your muscles. Caffeine triggers a massive release of cortisol, your body's stress hormone. High cortisol levels in a fasted state signal your body to break down muscle tissue for energy. Even worse, this surge blocks IGF-1, a hormone essential for muscle growth. So your coffee ritual can stop muscle repair for up to 6 hours after drinking it. James, a 62-year-old security guard, relied on 6 to 8 cups of coffee a day on an empty stomach. He lost strength, felt exhausted, and struggled at work. After adjusting his routine and eating the right breakfast first, James regained energy, rebuilt his muscles, and even started coaching his grandson's little league team. 3. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, or deli meats may seem protein-rich, but here's the hidden danger. Nitrites and nitrates. Inside your body, these compounds convert into nitrosamines, inflammatory toxins that attack muscle fibers. They damage mitochondria, the power plants of your muscle cells, preventing energy production and repair. A study of 1,400 seniors eating processed meats 4+ times per week found 33% more muscle deterioration compared to those who avoided them. Sarah, 67, had eaten bacon every morning for 12 years. After switching to muscle-building breakfasts, she now carries groceries effortlessly, volunteers regularly, and has taken up ballroom dancing, all because she stopped poisoning her muscles. 4. oatmeal with skim milk. Oatmeal is marketed as heart healthy, but paired with skim milk, it becomes a muscle thief. Why? Removing fat from milk removes the delivery system for fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, critical for muscle repair. Worse, processed skim milk can leach calcium and magnesium from existing muscle tissue, forcing your body to cannibalize muscles just to digest it. A study tracking 1,900 seniors found that those eating oats with skim milk lost 29% more muscle mass over 18 months. Dorothy, 69, followed this routine faithfully. After switching to whole milk and adding muscle-building foods, she now has the strength to lift her granddaughter and work part-time as a personal shopper. 5. Refined cereals. Cereal may seem convenient and fortified, but most refined options contain incomplete proteins and anti-nutrients like phytates and lectins. Your muscles need amino acids after fasting overnight. Incomplete proteins trigger your body to break down existing muscle tissue to get what it needs. Refined cereals also prevent your body from absorbing amino acids from other foods eaten later. A 2,500 senior study found that daily consumption of refined cereals led to 37% more muscle deterioration than protein-rich breakfasts. Harold, 71, had eaten Raisin Bran for 20 years. After switching, he regained enough strength to resume woodworking and complete an oak dining table for his daughter. Now for the exciting part, the muscle-building foods that can reverse sarcopenia. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt delivers 20 grams of complete protein per cup, double that of regular yogurt. It's rich in leucine, the amino acid that switches on muscle protein synthesis. Studies show seniors adding Greek yogurt daily gained 18% more lean muscle and improved grip strength, balance, and mobility. Tips: choose full-fat plain Greek yogurt. Add walnuts or almonds, fresh berries, and eat within 30 minutes of waking. 2. Eggs. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids and vitamin D essential for muscle growth. Within 30 minutes, your muscles get the full building blocks needed to repair and grow. Studies report a 24% increase in muscle protein synthesis in seniors eating 2 eggs daily. Tips: eat whole eggs, cook in coconut oil or grass-fed butter, and enjoy first thing in the morning. 3. Avocado. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats, potassium, antioxidants, and compounds that boost testosterone and growth hormone. Seniors who added half an avocado to breakfast daily improved muscle protein synthesis by 19% and recovered faster between workouts. Tips: pair with protein, like eggs or Greek yogurt, for maximum amino acid absorption. 4. Lean meats, turkey or chicken. Lean meats provide 35 grams of complete protein per 4-ounce serving, B vitamins, and creatine. They fuel muscles with high-quality building blocks. Studies show seniors eating lean meats at breakfast gained 3.1 pounds of lean muscle and improved strength by 31%. Tips: use grass-fed options, cook gently, and pair with healthy fats like avocado. 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide protein, healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc, activating 300-plus enzymes for muscle protein synthesis. Seniors who ate 2 ounces daily gained 1.8 pounds of lean muscle, recovered faster, and had stronger grip strength. Tips: use raw, unsalted varieties. Soak overnight and sprinkle on Greek yogurt or eggs. Eliminate white bread, fasted coffee, processed meats, skim milk, refined cereals. Add Greek yogurt, eggs, avocado, lean meats, nuts/seeds. Timing: eat these first thing in the morning to fuel overnight muscle repair. Consistency: small changes daily create massive results over time. I know change feels hard. You may be thinking, I've eaten this way my whole life. But let me tell you something. These small, mindful swaps have helped hundreds of seniors reclaim strength, independence, and confidence. You can feel secure standing tall, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, and even playing with grandchildren, all without fear of weakness or falls. Age is not the end of vitality. Your muscles can grow stronger, your energy can return, and your body can feel years younger, all from what you put on your breakfast plate. So take action today. Eliminate the muscle-destroying foods, add the 5 superfoods, and give your muscles the fuel they've been missing. If this video helped you, subscribe, comment below. Where are you watching from? And share this with friends who need it. You deserve strength, independence, and confidence, and the best time to start is now. Remember, small changes lead to lasting freedom. Let's rebuild those muscles, restore your energy, and feel like you did in your 40s. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and I'll see you in the next video on Senior Food Blog. Stay strong.